T. Works piling machinery Polgan revolution. Industrial equipment damaged in transit, moisture and vibration ruining pile drivers. T Works cracks the code with a 3D packaging formula. Triple-proof fabric keeps 8-ton machines rust-free and 90% humidity. Custom wood cases, limit, drill pipe, bend, to 0.3%. 8-layer wood bases kill 90% road shake. Cattle loading cuts costs by 35%. Reusable frames save $56K. Laser engraved cultural icons boost orders 30%. When packaging is more than boxes, Works protection, Kakila, Effici Sakela adaptation formula, flattens global transportation powering belt and road infrastructure with Chinese ingenuity.